Hello, lovely people. Welcome to my weekend walk early in the morning. Not too early. Ano na siya, 10 o'clock. Ngayon palang sumikat si Haring Araw. Kaya ang ganda maglakad-lakad. Yun kita natin yung mga bibi, the wild ducks. Winter na winter. Pero enjoy na enjoy silang maligo. Ang ginaw, siguro super ginaw ng tubig. Brr. Na makapag tayo, reflect tayo, no? Ayan, sumikat na si Haring Araw. What I love about my weekend walk is the peace of the sound of the flowing water. Doon sa kabila, ice na ice siya, pero ang tubig ay hahanap talaga ng labasan, no? Ayan. Doon sa banda, doon yung pinakita natin kanina, mga bibi na naliligo. Tingnan natin yung mga kahoy. Akala natin matay na sila pag winter. Nag-hibernate lang pala sila, no? Come spring and summer, tagsibo, lumalabas uli ang kanilang mga fresh leaves. Yan. That's the beauty of winter here in Sweden. Before I end this video, I'd like to share this short reflection kasi napaisip ako dun sa mga wild ducks, at napatanong sa aking sarili, ano kayang kinakain nila? Paano sila nabubuhay pag winter? The same with us. Sometimes we worry much about what we will eat or drink. When Matthew 6:26 says, "Look at the birds of the air. They do not sow or reap or store away in barns, and yet your heavenly Father feeds them. Are you not much more valuable than they?" So something that we can reflect on this week and the days ahead. Thank you so much for watching. This has been Lals. See you next time. Stay safe, everybody, and God bless us all.